Using advanced machining functions by the Moduleworks add-on, we will prepare toolpaths and output these as G-code programs to run on our simultaneous multi-axis Waterjet machine. Import your 3D or wireframe models that define the part. Move the part model to the correct position, which will conform to the reference position on the CNC Waterjet machine. Make sure the maximum Z coordinate of the part model is Z equals 0. All part positions must have negative Z coordinates in the CAD system for a safe cutting trajectory. You can make an axis-aligned enclosing box for moving the part model easily. That box will enable you to pick corner positions correctly. The corners of the box are the maximum and minimum points of the model along the coordinate axis. Geo, the Make Box menu path, will open the page to make the axis-aligned box. And as soon as the page appears, you can select models for the box from the graphics window. When you finish your selection, the axis-aligned box will appear. Then you can move a corner point of this box to the origin of the coordinate axis together with the part models. Make wireframe curves out of surfaces. You will use the Surface, Extract Surface Edges menu path. Make the lines that will represent nozzle direction on important points. We will use the direction, point, and length function of the Make Lines page to draw the nozzle direction lines. Nozzle direction on some specific points can be defined using the sidewalls. Now you have all geometric data ready for making the toolpath operations. Open the Advanced Machining pages. The menu command path is Advanced Machining, Show GUI. Define a cylindrical tool that represents Waterjet. We will make its diameter 1 millimeter. Select the Wireframe Machining tab. First, select Drive Curves for the toolpath. Select Orientation Lines. These lines represent nozzle directions relative to part geometry at those positions. The nozzle axis vectors between these given definitions are calculated by linear interpolation. Select a machining side for the offset of 1 millimeter Waterjet. Define the lead-in and lead-out types. Check retract plane definitions for safe link moves. Check the toolpath by animating, and if there are any changes needed, you may give the menu command C parameters by right-clicking the operation on tree view. We will copy clone the operation for other pockets. We need to click on the transform toolbar icon and give the copy repeat no as 14 for this particular example. After cloning, we will send all the operations to the output box on the tree view and print out our program G-code to run on the 5-axis simultaneous CNC Waterjet machine tool.